One of the biggest struggles as animators is trying to find a rig on a marketplace online. We're used to going page by page, marketplace by marketplace, only to end up having to rig a model ourselves. Or if we do find a rig, it's usually pretty low quality and made by someone who's not an animator and doesn't know what an animator needs in a rig. And usually you won't find out until after you've paid for it, downloaded it, and brought it into your project. This obviously leads to a lot of frustration and a lot of time wasted, and it makes you lose that excitement you had for the project that you wanted to get started on. And so our goal with TOAnimate Store is to create a marketplace that's purely filled with high quality rigs made by animators for animators, so that when you download something, there's no doubt, there's no shadow of a doubt that it will be an amazing rig and it will be easy to work with. We'll be updating and increasing our roster of rigs every single month, so head over to TOAnimate.ca/store and check out all the awesome rigs that we offer.